What if you could get a brushless GPS drone with FPV, optical flow hovering, and an advertised 8K camera without jumping straight into the premium drone market? Today on Caring Guy, we're taking a closer look at the ZNLYRION S159 brushless GPS drone. It promises GPS positioning, 5G FPV transmission, optical flow hovering, a high-resolution camera, and around 20 minutes of flight time. But are those features as impressive in real-world use as they sound on the box? Let's take a closer look. Starting with the design, the S159 has the familiar foldable quadcopter shape. That makes it much easier to store and carry than a larger fixed-frame drone. The brushless motors are one of the key upgrades here. Compared with the tiny brushed motors commonly found in entry-level toy drones, brushless systems are generally designed for better efficiency and durability. And that makes the S159 more interesting for anyone looking to move beyond basic indoor-style drones. One of the biggest features is GPS positioning. GPS can help the drone maintain its position outdoors and supports features such as return to home on compatible configurations. That's especially useful when you're learning, because you don't have to rely entirely on constantly correcting the drone manually. However, GPS performance depends on getting a good satellite lock, so it's important to wait for the appropriate flight status before taking off. The S159 also advertises optical flow positioning. This technology uses a downward-facing sensor to help the drone estimate movement relative to the surface below it. In suitable conditions, that can make hovering feel more controlled, particularly closer to the ground. But remember, optical flow isn't a replacement for GPS, and performance can vary depending on the surface, lighting, and environment. Now let's talk about the camera. The S159 is advertised with an 8K camera, while different S159 listings can show different camera configurations and resolutions. So this is one specification I definitely verify against the exact version you're purchasing. The drone also supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV, allowing you to view the camera feed remotely. That can make flights more engaging because you're not simply watching the drone from the ground, you can also see the perspective from the camera. Just remember that 5G Wi-Fi doesn't mean the drone is using a cellular 5G network. It's referring to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission band commonly used for FPV connections. And real-world FPV range and latency can vary considerably with surroundings and interference. Some S159 users have reported noticeable video latency, so this is something worth testing, rather than assuming the connection will behave like a premium digital FPV system. With brushless motors, GPS positioning, and optical flow assistance, the S159 is positioned as a more capable option than a basic toy quadcopter. The combination should make it suitable for learning aerial photography, practicing outdoor flight, and capturing casual travel footage. Some S159 versions are also advertised with features such as auto-follow, first-person view, 360-degree flips, and obstacle avoidance systems, although the exact feature set depends on the particular configuration. So always check the exact specification list for your version before buying. The advertised flight time is approximately 20 minutes. That's a useful target for a drone in this category, but actual flight time can be lower depending on wind, flying style, battery condition, temperature, and how aggressively you use the motors. If you're planning a longer flying session, having spare compatible batteries can make a big difference. So, what stands out about the S159? First, the brushless motors. Second, GPS positioning. Third, the combination of GPS and optical flow assistance. Then there's the FPV camera system, foldable design, and advertised 20-minute flight time. Put those features together, and the S159 certainly looks more ambitious than a basic beginner toy drone. But there are a few things to keep in mind. don't automatically assume that an advertised 8K label means the same image quality you'd get from a premium 8K camera drone. Camera resolution is only one part of image quality. Sensor size, lens quality, stabilization, processing, bitrate, and actual recording resolution all matter. And because S159 listings can differ in camera and controller specifications, carefully check the exact configuration you're buying. So, is the ZNLYRION S159 worth considering? If you're looking for a foldable drone that combines brushless motors, GPS, optical-flow hovering, FPV, and a claimed high-resolution camera, this is certainly an interesting package. But the most important thing is to keep your expectations realistic. Treat the advertised specifications as a starting point, verify the exact configuration, and judge the camera and FPV performance based on real footage and real-world flight conditions. For beginners and casual aerial enthusiasts, the feature list makes the S159 worth a closer look. And if you're considering one, the biggest questions are simple. How good is the real camera? How stable is the GPS hover? And how reliable is the FPV connection? Those are the details that ultimately determine whether this drone is genuinely impressive or just impressive on paper. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more interesting gadgets, drones, and tech reviews. This is Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.